Got some local barbecue, crocodile's head.
And that's a crocodile barbecue.
Oh wow, it's
That's
all
a
crocodile.
meat.
Crocodile meat?
Yes.
Oh my god. I should try some. Sawadee krab. So we're just heading down towards the pier and then we're going to cross over and go to the actual jungle cycle area. Okay. So far there's been no traffic at all. It's been really easy cycling and it's actually a lot cooler than walking. And the bikes are really good quality, really nice trek bikes. Okay, so we just got to the pier. Here we are at the river. And that took about 10 minutes. Easy. Now we're going over there to the jungle.
He's the one of the great cyclists. He was cycling from South Thailand to Malaysia to Singapore too.
Oh yeah? I want to do it next year.
Weekend market.
All right.
And then we will continue to around number 1, number 2. This one, this the riverside area, but this also the old temple.
Okay.
This is the old temple.
So how long does this take, roughly?
I think we will back to our finish point at noon.
Noon. Okay, great. Perfect. So yeah, 20 past 9 now. So a couple of hours of cycling, a little bit of sightseeing. Back to Bangkok. Let's go. You wouldn't think this is Bangkok. You can just smell some nice fresh flowers and you can smell the jungle. It's a lot cooler, especially as we're cycling along. It's dead flat.
If you want to see, you can go up and take a picture from the front, right?
It's a traditional temple here with the wooden ceiling, teak ceiling. So we just spent about 15 minutes in this temple and it's a really nice little breakaway from the heat. We're going to get back on our bikes now and then continue cycling through the jungle.
It's a lucky day. Today
Yeah?
is a Buddhist fast day. That's why it seems like they have the monk sit on the chair.
Ah, yeah.
And then they give the philosophy teaching to the people.
Okay, now we're just approaching the weekend market. Picked up a little snack. This is 10 baht, which is about 25p, 20p. Oh, it's really good. Fish cake barbecue. Oh. Oh.
Hey! You can make it.
What do you call this game?
เขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะ In Thai เขาเรียกหนังสติ๊ก
Nan stick?
หนังสติ๊ก
Nan stick?
หนังสติ๊ก
Stick like a sticker เลย
sticker sticky
Yeah.
it means sticky
I think it's broken now.
okay
You can get a massage at this market as well. You know, little pumpkin sweet things. Really, really good. If you could smell this place. It smells like heaven everywhere.
Okay, by the history, crocodile eat a lot of human being by now today. You will eat the crocodile.
You're mine today. You don't get this on a European cycle tour. No. It's pretty special. I bet it just tastes like chicken, right? This is my first time eating crocodile, unsurprisingly. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, that's really good. Wow. Yeah, it tastes like, it tastes a little bit like a really thick cod, but then with an essence of chicken, and it's quite chewy, really delicious, really flavoursome. The chili helps. Cup. Oh, it's really good. You want some?
No, give it to you.
It's so funny the heads are there.
Right.
Oh my god. This is the busiest road we've been on so far, and there's like 4 cars. It's fine. And they actually have a little cycle path as well, so no need to worry.
The name got it over 300 years ago.